moving back to your slide. Okay, so what are some of the advantages that you have seen in your data set? So you have seen that you can, or you are in control of the data, you are in control of the price, and you know what are the terms of usage of it. Okay, and also you can easily publish a data set or your applications into your cloud, right? Along with that, you can receive periodic reports and payouts, right? Let me show you another thing. Similar to your data, you are also having on applications, right? You can see a lot of different types of applications which are hosted in Azure. Similar to your data, here also you'll be having a free, paid, and free trial applications. Okay, along with that, you are also having another addition that is depending on the catalog. Okay, other than that, you are having categories, you are having publishers, right? And if I click on any of the applications, you can see for the monthly usage, if you are talking about 100 GB, if you are talking about 30 GB, if you are talking about 10 GB. Okay. Similarly, you'll be having your publish offer terms, your application feature is described here, and sample images are provided here. Okay. Now, proceeding further. Okay, so hope some of you might have already known about the SharePoint technology, right? So those who are not, please know that SharePoint is nothing but a web-based collaborative platform for enterprise computing and web, and you can perform document management, and also it provides easy creation of your websites. It provides many more web parts, your document libraries, lists, blogs, and many more. Okay, so it provides collaboration features, business intelligence features such as your business center. It also provides your KPIs. It provides Excel services, etc. It also provides enterprise search capability and provides a business connectivity services to connect to your external data, right? And it also provides many more other capabilities, but essentially we'll be concentrating only on Excel services, right? So Excel services was introduced in SharePoint 2007. By using these, we can load, we can display, calculate, we can share and reuse Microsoft Excel workbooks. Developers, analysts, managers can create the Excel and share with others by using your SharePoint 2010. You can control which sheet to display, which items to display in that particular sheet. Okay? So by using this, you do not have to install the client application, that is your Microsoft Office, in your desktop or laptop. Only you need is a browser to gain access to the Excel services. You can also interact with the Excel services by passing your parameters. You can sort depending upon certain values, and however, you will not be able to create a new workbook or edit the existing one by using your Excel services. Basically, there are 6 major components in your Excel services. One is Excel Web Access. Okay, so this particular diagram is talking about that. Okay, in the Excel Web Access, what happens? This is nothing but a web part which helps to view and interact with a browser with a workbook. Okay, so Excel Web Services. If you want to access the same workbook programmatically, then you need to make use of this web service. Right? You can use this web service to calculate a cell value. You can set a cell value. You can extract values from a cell or from the workbook, etc. But programmatically. Okay. Next to that, in the left hand side, you can see user-defined functions. Okay. You can create custom functions using managed code, and that can be called in a cell by using a formulas. Right. Then HTML script. You can make use of the JavaScript object model to customize the web access web part. Okay. Then REST API. Right. So this particular API enables us to access and view the workbook via URL. Right. So the discovery methodology used here helps us to explore the content either programmatically, or you can also view it manually. Okay. Then finally, we'll be talking about Excel calculation services. This particular service helps to load workbooks, helps in calculating workbooks, helps to call custom UDFs or user-defined functions, helps to refresh external data, and also it helps to maintain the session state for interactivity. Session is maintained as long as the interactions are going on with the workbook and closed if the user closes its a session or the session is timed out. It also helps in caching the workbook for performance benefit. Okay. When I say some of the benefits of your Excel services, that does not mean that it replaces your client application, that is your Office 2010 or Office Excel 2010 rather. Okay. Why I am saying so? Because whatever Excel services provides, it is only a subset of your total features that are there in your Excel. Okay. So essentially what it does not support, there are a very huge list, but I will talk about only few points, which is like information right management protection is not supported, activist controls are not supported, external references like if it contains some links to other workbooks, that also is not supported, Excel maps, data validations, headers, footers, split and frozen panes, zooming in, zooming out. Okay, all these things are not supported in your Excel services. Okay, now with that